Hello, bitches.
Yup, bitch. You got one sock on and one sock off, bitch. Hi guys, this is juice, not alcohol.
So, bitches, let me fucking tell you what's happening. Fuck you! Wait, what fell over there? Right, can you fucking stop? I need to tell the bitches what's happened.
And then tell them what happened. Okay, so basically,
We were trying to get a bird in its fucking cage for like 10 years.
this bird right here. This bird right here. We have to put this over it so it would shut the fuck up. These little cunts, yeah, you. It would not get back in his fucking cage because Jess here decided to let them out as if it would be a good fucking idea. Which it wasn't.
Hear me out, yeah. I just let the bird out. I thought you needed some fucking freedom.
Yeah, we have to put this blanket over it after like 20 minutes, no more than that, it was like an hour after. Basically nearly killed the fucker. And then it fell out the blanket and flew away again, so it took us another like half an hour. And then, yeah, then we just did the same and then put it in his cage.
And then we eventually got in this cage, thank fuck. And now we're getting fucking drunk because the bird drivers are fucking insanity.
I was gonna say.
That looks sick, bruv.
So, Josh just spilt his drink.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
On his grandma's floor.
Oh, hell no!
What's that?
What the fuck? I just slapped that up in my straw.
Mate, that's like a slug.
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
That's like shit.
No, it's not.
That's bird shit.
No, it's not.
Bird shit.
No, it's not.
it
No, it's not.
What is it?
What is that?
That's bird shit.
Where's it
mate.
gone?
It's down there. Josh, clarify that. That's
Oh
bird.
my
Down there. Look. That's bird shit, isn't it? Or slug shit. Or a baby slug. Can't mate, that bird shat in your fucking straw. Whilst it's flying around here. It's bird shit, I'm telling you. Is it really? Yes. You need to rinse your mouth out with bleach. Like, bleach in it, like everything, just cleanse the mouth. Right, just to clarify, Jess just sucked up bird shit in her straw. She's now beating up Josh because he's taking it.
I ate bird shit through my fucking
Straw now, in case I get bird shit in there.
I just ate some bird shit.
This is the funniest thing ever.
We've just been laughing about it for about 10 hours.
If you haven't seen the previous video, she basically sucked up a piece of black shit from her straw. Thought it was like a piece of dirt. Turned out it was bird shit.
Because I love slapping up dirt.
Because the bird was out earlier and somehow shat in her straw.
You love it.
Same.
The bird loves me, so thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Oh my god, you know what it could have been? When it was on your head, it could have shat in your hair. Your hair could have like wiggled in your drink or something.
Oh my god, conspiracy theory. We need to call Shane Dawson. Genuinely, we need to call
No,
Shane
that's
Dawson.
the only explanation though, because it hasn't been out since you poured the drink, so it could have
sit
shat in your hair. Could have shat in your hair. You've like shaked your hair or something, and the shit's just fallen right into
Do
your
you know
straw.
what? I think that's true.
I'm
Let
good
me
at conspiracy
double check
theories,
my
aren't I?
straw.
That's my straw. There's no shit in that. You don't need to worry about. Because basically, we let the let the bird out earlier.
By accident.
Yeah, by accident. And then it landed on Josh's head, and then it landed on her head.
Inside
And shoulder.
photo here.
Yeah, I've got a video. I've got a video as well.
Oh, it's
Where is it gone? I'm thinking it could have just simply shat in your hair.
Yeah, at that point, and then lately when I was just like dancing and whatever,
Yeah.
it like fell down.
Flopped right into your drink and you didn't realise.
But like fully,
Dirty
lads,
bird.
it was literally in my straw, like at the bottom, like of my straw.
Yeah.
Like, just
Look.
lurking about. We
It's
still got
here.
the shit. It's still here.
It's here. Oh, I can't look at that.
That was in my mouth.
You tell me or tell me not that is bird shit, yeah? Do you want to drink it again? That is disgusting. Why don't you just put that in the bin? No, we've got to keep that for memory.
Yeah, I've got to keep that in the scrapbook for the memory.
Scrapbook. Oh my god. Oh, who's this guy?
Let me focus.
Who's new?
What does it say? I
Read
can't.
it.
Wait,
I can't
keep
see it, it's
it.
backwards.
Keep it still, and we might be able to see it. Let's see.
Wait, what's that say?
Let's see.
Oh my god. Is that her?
No, it's just some fucking random girl from The Chase, and then
Nah,
that girl
it
from
is
Love
her.
Island.
It could be
That
her
is
just
her.
when she hadn't got her lip.
By the way, we're watching Love Island, and we've got it on mute.
So I rounded up Josh and Summer and forced them to sit on the floor with me.
But when they
Okay, what's my favourite animal?
parents and sister were sat in the road directly behind them.
No, that's my favourite
I
animal.
looked up and saw my
Dog.
sister and my dad, and I kind of just tried to put my head down. I thought there's no
What,
way
none of you know my favourite animal?
Sure, it's
No,
impossible.
I do. I can't think.
What's my favourite animal,
So
babe?
far, the disguise had worked. But
Chicken.
they still had a 3.5-hour
Pig.
flight to get
Yeah,
through.
to eat
Giraffe?
Well, it was certainly hot,
No,
because
you're
we had
close
the hoods
there.
up the whole time, hoods
Zebra?
up, caps
No.
on.
No.
No.
Tiger.
We just had to sit there in silence.
You're close now.
Just
Giraffe?
not
No,
moving
it's
muscle
close to
degree.
giraffe.
Think.
Incredibly,
Safari
Josh and
animal.
Caitlin went the whole flight without being
Leopard.
recognised.
You're like forgetting the most important one.
They were able to surprise
Fat
the
shit of
family
the
at their villa in Italy.
Hippo.
No. And hippo and
A fat one.
yeah, the fat one.
Rhino.
And
Elephant.
yeah,
I said elephant first.
No, you
I
didn't.
did. Look at the
Right,
video.
replay
Look
that.
at the video.
Replay that.
Shit.
But when they
Okay,
boarded,
what's my
his
favourite
parents
animal?
and sister were sat in the road
Dog.
directly behind them.
No, that's my favourite
I
animal.
looked up, it was
Listen, I
Say
said
that.
elephant.
No,
That's
you
my
didn't.
favourite animal too.
My favourite animal is an elephant.
Because I was like elephant. I was like, oh no, that's my favourite animal.
Whether that's family,
Right,
And
we're
then I started guessing.
rewatching that.
Yeah.
Just sit up.
We're rewatching. We're rewatching that.
Look at her smug face. Who was right, bitch? Bitch, huh?
Bye, bitches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Dip low, watching a dip low. Dances on me and I just sip slow. Watching your head down to your tiptoe. You know I got something for when we get home. Get home. Now you're in my zone, in my zone.